Hello and welcome back. I hope to find you and doing well. Today let's add the show password option. Okay, in the previous video we added remember me option. Today we want to add a new option to show and hide password by clicking a checkbox. When the user check the checkbox, we want to show the password. When the user uncheck the checkbox, we want to hide the checkbox like this. Okay, before watching this video, I strongly recommend you to watch our previous video because previously we implemented this option which is remember me, and now the password is saved using the preferences API. There is no problem. Let's close the application. Okay, here we have different fields. Let's add a new checkbox here. For example, private J checkbox checkbox, for example, show password, and you can use any name, there is no problem. Okay, so thereafter let's find the initialize method. As you can see here we have initialize method, and here we want to add new checkbox, there is no problem. We have as you can see we have a remember me checkbox. After that let's add new checkbox here. Okay friends, before adding the checkbox, let's add a label simple. We have option grid by constraints. To that, let's specify the column simple. We have opt dot grade x. We want to assign, for example, 1. So thereafter, we want to define a label simple, for example, glabel. LBL, for example, let's add name, for example, separator, and you can use any name, there is no problem. And let's initialize that. We want to initialize with JLabel, okay? And here we want to add a 5-line symbol, there is no problem. Let's add that. We want to add space, then this symbol. After that, let's add some properties to this label. Simple, we have LBL separator dot set background color. We want to use foreground color, for example, color dot gray. Okay, thereafter we want to add border simple LBL separator dot set border, and here we want to use empty border. Okay, let's use this overloaded version. This accept top padding left, bottom, and right. Let's add some padding. For the top you want to add 0. For the left you want to add, for example, 8 pixels, and here you want to add 0, then 8 pixels. Okay, so after that let's add this label to options panel. As you can see here, we defined a J panel which is options panel. We want to add that label simple. We have options panel dot add, and here you want to add LBL separator. Then you want to use this constraints. We have grid bar constraints. Let's use that. So in the first column we added remember me checkbox. In the second column we added label. Let's add a third column because in the third column we want to add show password checkbox, and here we want to change this grid x, for example, equals to, because we want to add show password checkbox in the third column. Okay, and here what we want to do, we want to initialize the show password checkbox. Simple, we have checkbox show password equals, as you can see here we defined method. Let's find that. We have a method style checkbox. We want to call that simple. Let's call that here. We have here. Okay, we want to call that. Let's initialize that because this is not a method, this is a class. Okay, this is a static class. We want to initialize that and extends from the J checkbox class. Okay, let's initialize that. We want to initialize with new checkbox, and here we want to add, for example, show password. Okay, Thereafter, let's register that simple. We have checkbox, for example, show password. Then we want to use add action listener. Sorry, add action listener. And here we want to use lambda expression with the event. There is no problem. Okay. So let's add simple conditions here. If we have checkbox show password is selected, if the checkbox is selected, we want to show the password. Else, if the checkbox is not selected, we want to hide the password. That is good. So let's show the password. As you know that password comes with invisible character like hash symbol, dollar sign symbol, percent, and dot. We want to show that, and here we want to use txt password dot set echo method. To that we want to pass character 0 because the 0 character is a null character. Okay, and here we got an exception incompatible types. Let's cast this into character to resolve the problem. Okay. Okay, friends, let's drink some tea. After that, we want to hide characters. That is good. As you can see here, we use the symbol to hide the character, and you can use any symbol, there is no problem. And let's use that one, and here we want to use txt password dot set echo character, and we want to pass that character. Okay. Okay, friends, everything is good and finished. Let's run the application to see the result. Let's check that. As you can see, the password is showing in good manner. That's good. Let's hide that. Okay. We have remember me option and we have show password in the login form. That is good. That is very good. Okay, friends, we completed login application using Java Swing because in the first video we designed login application. In the second video we connected with MySQL database. Then in the previous video we added remember me option, and now we added show password option. That is good. Now the login form is completed. Let's log in to the main application. Okay, the main application is open. There is no problem. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comment. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you in the next one.